Okay. Whew. Okay, so it is hotter than the shades of Haiti up in here, and my hair is fried like crazy. So Pete and Zom are in getting their hair cut. So I'm just gonna do a haul because I went to the Dollar Tree before this, and now they're getting their stuff. So side note, went to Chick-fil-A. Dom calls it Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A calls Chick-fil-A Chick-fil-A. Got their peach tea. Holy Malanta. So good. So good. Y'all need to try it. It is so good. Hence why it's almost gone. Anyways, so some of this is hacks from TikTok, and some is from some of them are from YouTube. I can't remember. I'm not going to take anyone because I can't remember who's from what. Got these from the dollar store. They're pencil holders that you put so you can use any kind of markers for your Cricut. Got more cups so that I can do more of my Cricut designs. One of my girlfriends got a Cricut, so I had to stock her up. So some of the stuff I already have and I know that I want. Also is Dom's birthday, so I'm gonna get some of it is just for his birthday stuff. He's turning 5. Also, some of it's just cute craft stuff. Alphabet book for writing activity stuff, just because he hates writing like so much. And some of it's just cute, like, I don't know, probably to put on a wreath or something. The red truck, and because I love Halloween. Oh, more tissue paper to wrap my Etsy stuff. Pop guns for his guns. Oh, so don't know if it's good, but somebody on YouTube said it was craft glue. Liquid adhesive so we'll see if it works, if it's any good. I know these are good, so I was telling her that these are awesome, and to get them because working with hot glue, these are awesome. So yes. Also told her that these are awesome because they have they have a thick side and a thin side, and I'll have to insert a picture here. And then they also have the like a scraper side, so if you're peeling stuff up or you're weeding and something comes up, you can just flip it over and then use that to get it. And I just love them. So yeah, so I don't know if it like shows, but you could see there's the thick one and there's the thin one. They're awesome. And then I got like 4 different kinds of bubbles for his birthday. And then I was going to do some embellishments for badge holder things. So that was just a cool like sticker thing that I saw. I think it was on TikTok. I don't know. I've been spending a lot of time on TikTok, like way too much time on TikTok. Wasting a lot of time, if you ask me. Yeah. And so that's one bag down. Oh, and then for my, I can't think of the word, my signs, my pizza signs, I saw this really cute thing that you make them look like wood, so it's contact paper. And then I got her some also contact paper that you can use for transfer paper, so that's for her. What else? Oh, Anastasia loves the fluff. Oh, and then for Christmas, I saw some cute mug designs, so I was gonna see if these would be cute. And then for the Mr. and Mrs., I got the black to go with the white for another quarter thing. This is to hold your, for your purse. It's to organize your cables. So I will show that in a second. Actually, I can do it now. I'm not charging my phone. But, so you can do your headphones or your cords. Because somebody stole mine when I was at work. And then I can just throw that in my purse. We're going to Florida. So some ponchos. Another wide tooth comb. Oh, a sketchbook. Blue tape for when I do my earrings to hold them down. More foam brushes. Oh, for the light box. These little guys are awesome to hold them down on the light box. Another set of these for me. Oh, and then corkboard to try for some earrings. And I think that is it. So, like, if you liked my video, my haul, like, follow, subscribe. Car's a mess. Sit in a parking lot, wasting time. And comment down below if you want any other information or you like my other videos. There'll be something else up here and over here or down here or down here. I'm not sure what I'll do. But yeah, thanks. Bye.